All heading guard, the service servant, number 36, in number 4. Sitting laser is Serena Bradley, Silent Gale, Blade Runner Swing Club. Lane number 1, Sargento Bianca Eliza, Bayala Harpon Swing Club. Lane number 3, Lee Alba Gabriel, Bayala Harpon Swing Club. Lane number 4, Florento Lee Abigail, Bayala Harpon Swing Club. Lane number 5, Tondo Aliyah Chesamin, Bayala Harpon Swing Club. Lane number 6, Guzman Daniel Allison, Bacunawa Swing Club. Lane number 7, Natividad Chilian Celine of Sharknado Swing Club. Lane number 8, Mendoza John Korean of Blade Runner Swing Club. And lane number 9, Naomi of Seamaster Swimming Team.